The combination formula allows us to solve the number of ways you can choose R things out of N things where the order doesn't matter. It's helpful to have a formula because problems like this are common. For example, how many teams of 2 can you make out of 4 people? But it's even more helpful to know where this formula comes from. Let's continue with this simple example. 4 choose 2. How many ways can we choose 2 objects out of 4 objects where the order doesn't matter? You have 4 objects for the first choice. After you choose one, you have 3 options for your next choice. So for each object you choose first, there are 3 objects you could choose next. We can use a multiplication tree to visualize all the possible combinations of 2 objects we can make. How many in total do we have now? We have the number of objects we start with n times n minus 1, the number of objects we have left for the next choice. And if we were choosing more than 2 objects, we would keep going, multiplying by n minus 2 to represent the number of options left for the third choice, and so on until we choose all of the objects. This can be written as n factorial. To stop at an earlier step, like we need to stop after 2 choices, we divide by n minus r factorial, where r is the number of objects we're choosing. N factorial writes out all steps, and dividing by n minus r factorial gets rid of the steps that we don't need. However, we still have some repeat combinations. Choosing triangle and then square is the same as choosing a square then a triangle, for example, because we do not care about order. So to discount for order mattering, we have to divide by the number of ways to reorder the same combination of r objects. We can reorder r objects r factorial times because of the same reasoning as before. So we divide n factorial divided by n minus r factorial by r factorial. And this is how we get the combination formula. So this formula, like many formulas, can be understood intuitively and simply, and now you can efficiently apply it to your problem solving. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.